guys, Patrick Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at Buckhead East in Richmond Hill, Georgia. Looking at Mungo model home, the Palmer. Beautiful home. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with 2,474 square feet and all the bells and whistles you possibly want. If you want the totally upgraded Palmer, you're about to look at it right now. Let's check it out. Welcome home, right? What a gorgeous home. I love the loft that they got upstairs, of course. Comes with an alarm system, as you can hear. With great entryway around the ceilings. It leads into the coat closets right here. And then the dining room is right there. We've got the the coffered ceilings. Beautiful setup, and it leads into a little dry bar area. And this goes into the living room. Let's check all this out. Wow, I mean, look at this kitchen. I love the way this countertop is curved like that. So interesting. Adds such great conversational piece for everybody that comes in. Of course, you can fit bar stools there, it's fantastic. And it's got great storage right here. And then I like the inlaid sink, under-mounted sink, as you will call it, farm style right there. Great. You have the subway tile backsplash and tons of space to store all your kitchen items. It leads into this dining area right here. Of course, you got your formal dining room right there, but you have this right here so you can look out to the lake on this particular home. If you decide to get a Palmer, it won't be on the lake like this, but you still got a good shot of the outside right there and the screened-in porch. I love these light fixtures they got going on right here. It's very modern, and it leads right in the living room, which we're going into next. Now we're in the living room. You got a small preview. If you saw it from the kitchen, you could see it in here, but man, I love the way they spaced this out. As you can see, furniture, no problem. TV, no problem. I love this one because you get the shot out to the back. Plenty of windows in here. You got 4 windows in this living room to letting all that natural light in. It's fantastic. Love this accent wall. Like I said, fully upgraded. This could be yours if you want it. But yeah, look at this beautiful living room. Now we're upstairs. I love it up here. All the bedrooms are upstairs, and then you got the great balcony out there, which we're gonna go check out. But the primary bedroom, fantastic. It's connected to the laundry room, through the primary closet, through the primary bathroom. So it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna actually take you right through there so you can see how that all works. Fantastic, especially if you're the primary owner of the home, you can be connected to the laundry room. How great is that? And then the other rooms are up here. We're just gonna sweep through those real quick, and then we're gonna head outside. After a hard day of work, came upstairs, walked through your laundry room, dropped off your dirty clothes, walked in the closet, got changed, came in the bedroom, maybe you laid down, Maybe you took in this wonderful view of the lake out there. I don't know what you plan on doing. Maybe you're gonna go back downstairs and have a run. I don't know what kind of energy level you've got, but great way to enter into your primary bedroom. It's so cool. But I love this primary bedroom too. As you can see, king size bed, 4-poster, tray ceilings with the crown molding on the inside. Love that. And then crown molding all the way throughout the inside of this room. And then they got their accent wall. You'd have to do that yourself. They're not going to do that for you, but great primary bedroom. Let's check it out. Wow, went from the great primary bedroom to this beautiful primary bathroom. I love separate tub, separate shower, tiled all the way up, matching tile, which I love that. Tile floor, which also matches, which is great. Dual vanity right here. You got a closet for your toilet, which obviously I would say that's standard these days, but it's pretty much what we got going on in most of these new homes. And then you got a linen closet right here. But man, we're gonna go in the closet. I'm not gonna talk too much in the closet, but man, all these connecting like this is really cool. Check it out. So now we're in the upstairs bathroom, which I love. It's got the dual vanity, granite countertop. I love the tile on this flooring, and check all this out. And then you got the separation with the toilet and the shower. So some people can get ready here, and then other people can be in the shower. So, you know, great teamwork could make getting ready easy. And then we're gonna go check out the other bedrooms. Gonna swing right through them and they meet you downstairs. Before we go downstairs, I don't want to miss the upstairs porch, so we're just going to go out there. I want to run you out there. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. All right, let's do it. All right, so now let's go out here and check this out. Look at this. Love this, right? What better way to wake up in the morning, right? You get your coffee, just checking out, hanging out here before you have the day, or a great way to end your day. I mean, a good way to begin or end your day. And then there's Henderson Park right there. It's fantastic. You can't see it, there it is, and then you got a lake back here. So yeah, fantastic. Let's go downstairs. Love this screened-in porch. As you can see, it's great. This one is particularly nice because it's got a view of the lake right there. Of course, if you're gonna buy one of these homes, it wouldn't have this same view, but a spectacular view no less. But you got all this space in here to, you know, you can hang out in the evenings. If you haven't heard what I've said before, sand gnats in our area are no fun to deal with. So you definitely want to have a screened-in porch when you're out here in the summertime. But you got great inside here, and then they got a little patio area right there so you can grill. We're gonna check all of this out. So that's the Palmer floor plan from Mungo Homes in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you have a question about this home or any Mungo home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.